The third powder that we are going to test is called baking powder. This is not to be confused with baking soda. There are some major differences that you will observe here during this experiment. Baking powder can be found in the first 4 wells on the well plate. So in the first well, we see that baking powder is not doing much when exposed to air, so we can say that there is no reactivity to oxygen. Now I'm going to add water to my first well over here, and as you can see, you notice how there are some big bubbles forming. Keep in mind we did not see this last time with baking soda. This is only happening with baking powder. So I think we can agree that baking powder, oh gosh, well, that wasn't anticipated, but we can see that baking powder is very, very reactive to water. Next, we will add some vinegar in the next one, and we can see that very similarly, baking powder reacts with vinegar. And finally, we will add some iodine. And let's see what is occurring here. I am seeing some bubbling happening here. Whoa. Oh my goodness. And the iodine is, if you can't see that, it's growing. Wow. Basically the iodine is really blobbing up here. Looks kind of gross. And you can see that tells me, so not only is it much darker, but it's kind of this thick foam. You can see that there seems to be a reaction happening between baking powder and iodine. So I think we can conclude that baking powder actually reacted with everything except for oxygen.